Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given triangles ABC and DEF. We're given a bunch of information about them. To understand it, we're going to draw some diagrams. So you have triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 90 degrees, so we have a right triangle. We can make this angle B, and then A and C can be the other angles. Doesn't matter which order you put them in, because this doesn't have to be perfectly to scale. We just have to be clear that it's a right triangle. With this, that it's 90 degrees, we're given that BC is 16, and AC is 20. And triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC, where D corresponds with A, E with B, and F with C, and each side of triangle DEF is 1/3 the length of the corresponding side of ABC. So doing this in a similar fashion, just so we can see that they're similar, we know that ABC correlates with DEF, so A, B, C, we have to go in the same direction, D, E, F. So D, E, F. So that means that we know that each of these angles, if we do this, A and D are the same angle size, B and E are the same, and C and F are the same. Now, we are asked what is the value of sine F, so that's this angle right here, and we have to correlate that with its corresponding angle in the other triangle, which is angle C. So we're actually looking for sine F, we're going to do by finding sine of C. Sine of C is the opposite side to C over the hypotenuse. The opposite side is AB, which we don't know, so we're going to have to use the Pythagorean theorem, where A squared plus B squared equals C squared, where these are the side lengths and C is the hypotenuse. So A squared, I guess A is going to represent AB at this point. A squared plus B squared is going to have to be the other leg, which is 16 squared, is equal to C squared. Again, this has to be the hypotenuse, so that's 20 squared. So A squared plus 16 squared is 256, is equal to 20 squared, which is 400. Subtracting 256 on both sides, got the A squared is equal to 400 minus 256 is 144. Just rewriting this up here so we don't run out of space. Taking the square root of both sides, don't have to worry about positive or negative because side lengths have to be positive. The square root of the square of A is A, and the square root of 144 is 12. So we know that A, and therefore the length of AB is 12. And sine C, the opposite is going to be AB, the hypotenuse is AC, and this is 12 over AC is 20, and this is equivalent to 3/5. So that is going to be your final answer. The value of sine F is 3/5. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.